Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wellman. Welcome to week 1. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of week 1 so that you get a bit of an orientation. So I'm showing you the screen here. You're going to be doing your certification and your pre-test. Now, as you know, if you've taken courses at Kaiser before, the pre-test is not a part of your final grade, but it's essential for you to complete it so that you can get a grade. So please do that. The certification is essential because until you complete that certification and agree to it, I will not be grading any work. So please do that. In week 1, you have the two, these are your tasks in this blue frame. So you'll print your syllabus and do the certification and pre-test. Make sure you have all your system requirements for your computer. And then you're going to read my instructor biography if you wish. Post your introduction, please, because when we get to know each other, it's so helpful. Then look in the remaining items in course home and make sure you know how to ask me a question. Contact Blackboard or the Blackboard Help Desk. Now, for your reading materials, you're going to read chapters 1, 2, and 6, and also read the Cresswell Research Design chapter. It's here in the Start Here courses area, and it's in the assignment in week 1. So you're going to look at the PowerPoints and then post your discussion post by Wednesday. Then your next discussion post for the week will be due on Saturday, and then the last one by Sunday. You can do your posts ahead of time, but be sure you do them on 3 separate days so you can prepare them and then post them if you wish. And your second and third posts are responses to your classmates' initial posts. So if your classmate responds to you and then you respond to them back, that's not included in a 3-post grade. You may, if you wish, respond to me for a grade, even though it says that they don't count, but I count them, but they have to be done very professionally. You must meet the word count, you must cite sources, they must be well organized and look very professional. So here's the discussion link here and your research question assignment. You'll see here the Cresswell Research Design PDF. It's included there in the assignment. And then I put a bit of my thought processes so that you could see what it's like when I do thinking about research. Your thought processes might be a little different than this, but it just gives you an idea of what kinds of questions you're going to be asking when you turn your questions into a hypothesis and then into a method for collecting the data that you're going to analyze. Part 2 of the week 1 assignment is to identify any ethical violations in this experiment. So, and then you have your midterm exam review sheet that you're going to be using because you'll have your midterm exam review in week 2. So in week 1, I will be giving a lecture of the orientation. I think I'll do that on Tuesday this week. So yeah, but do check the instructor area for the timing of these, what we call the Kaiser Live. Okay, that's all from me for now. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this review has been helpful. I'll see you in the classroom.